We are here to advocate the public in joining the campaign for environment situation, to develop knowledge, and to expertise in encouraging a whole community to change their behavior. How climate change is already impacting the globe.
Climate change is a change in the statistical properties of the climate system that persists for several decades, usually at least 30 years. Climate change may be due to natural processes, such as changes in the sun's radiation, volcanoes, or internal variability in the climate system, or due to human influences, such as changes in the composition of the atmosphere or land use.
After the Industrial Revolution, the accumulation of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere has risen. Global temperatures have gradually increased.
The global warming that's changing our climate is already having consequences. In just the past few decades, rising temperatures have worsened extreme weather events. Chunks of ice in the Antarctic have broken apart. Coral reefs have been bleached of their colors. Mosquitoes are expanding their territory, able to spread disease.
Multiple studies published shows that 97% or more of climate warming trends over the past century are extremely likely due to human activities.
What can we do to prevent climate change?
We have something called zero waste. And it means no object should be throwing away in the trash. Everything has to be recycled, such as wrappers, cans, plastics, boxes, and etc. Segregating all the garbage in one and maximizing the waste.
Here are other ideas to preserve our environment and lessen the effects of climate change.
Pat made in bottles, solar panel, walk or use bicycle.
Number 4, clean your surroundings. Number 5, use tumbler. Number 6, avoid using plastic bags.
Use your energy wisely. Eat more meat-free meals and sharing on different platforms. This campaign helps individuals to become mindful of environmental concerns. As part of younger generations, we will be able to share our thoughts and activism with the majority of the population through our voices and experience.